Let's dive into the world of React Native, a powerful tool for building mobile applications with React. We will explore how you can leverage your React skills to create applications for both iOS and Android platforms. React Native combines the best parts of native development with React, a best-in-class JavaScript library for building user interfaces. We'll cover the basics, benefits, core components, and how to get started with your own React Native projects. Let's get started. React Native is a cross-platform framework that allows you to build mobile applications using JavaScript and React principles. It enables you to write code once and deploy it on both iOS and Android platforms, saving time and resources. Here are a few key features of React Native. You can write code once and run it on both iOS and Android. It utilizes native components, providing a native look and feel. It leverages React concepts, making it easy for React developers to transition to mobile development. It is developed and maintained by Meta, ensuring ongoing support and updates. React Native offers several advantages for mobile application development. Here are a few advantages. It is cost-effective. Using a single codebase for multiple platforms reduces development time and cost. It provides faster development. Hot reload and familiar React patterns speed up the development process. It's important to understand the difference between React and React Native. React primarily targets web applications, utilizing elements browser API and styling. On the other hand, React Native is designed for mobile applications using native components, mobile API and style sheets for styling. React Native provides a set of core components that are essential for building user interfaces. These components can be categorized into basic and interactive components. The basic components include view, which acts as a container similar to a div element, text, for displaying text content, image, for displaying images. Interactive components include scroll view, which enables scrollable containers, text input, for user input fields, and touchable opacity, a touchable button component. Here's a basic example of how to use React Native components in your code. First, import React from React, and view and text components from React Native. Next, create a functional component called app. Inside the component, return a view component that contains a text component displaying Hello React Native. This demonstrates the basic structure of a React Native component and how to display text on the screen. Key points to note: import components from the React Native library. The view component acts as a container, similar to a div in HTML. The text component is used to display text content. It uses the same syntax as React. Styling in React Native is similar to C++, but with some key differences. Here's an example of how to use StyleSheet to style your components. First, create a const named style equal to stylesheet.create. Then define the container style with properties like flex, background color, align items, and so on. Similarly, define the text style. Here are a few key differences between styling in React Native and C++. You must use camel case property names instead of hyphenated names. No units are needed. Flexbox is the default layout system. You should use stylesheet.create for optimization. To start developing with React Native, you'll need to set up your development environment. There are two main approaches: React Native CLI and Expo CLI. React Native CLI requires installing Node.js and JDK. Android Studio Xcode for O S. Development and React Native CLI. Expo CLI simplifies the process by only requiring Node.js and Expo CLI installation. You'll also need to install the Expo Go app on your mobile device. Both setups will allow you to start building React Native applications, but Expo is generally easier for beginners. Now, let's create your first React Native application using the following commands. To create a new project, run npx React Native init myapp. To start the Metro bundler, run npx React Native start. To run the app on Android, run npx React Native run Android. By running these commands, you'll get a complete project structure. Hot reload enabled, it will be ready for both iOS and Android, and you'll have all the development tools configured. Congratulations on getting started with React Native. To continue your learning journey, here are some next steps to consider. First, build simple components to get familiar with the basic building blocks. Next, learn state management techniques to handle data flow in your application. Explore navigation patterns to create multi-screen apps. Finally, integrate native modules to access platform-specific features. There are many resources available to support your learning, including official documentation, community forums, video tutorials, and example projects. Happy coding with React Native! If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.